coffee in. Then you push the button.
Ben, what are you doing?
Oh, now I'm gonna take it out.
Oh, now you're drinking the coffee?
It has no coffee maker in there. It has just one. So I fixed it. Did I put the coffee in? Then you put the coffee in.
Oh, okay. And then then what do you do?
Push the button.
Okay.
But these little buttons don't work.
No, I don't think they do anything.
Then you push the button. Oh, now I'm gonna take some coffee. Now I gotta make more coffee. So I fixed it. Then you put the coffee in. Then you push the button. So the coffee made a sound. Oh, now I'm gonna take it out. Now I gotta make more coffee. There. I fixed it. Then you put the coffee in. Oh, now I'm gonna take it out. I got that. You gotta put coffee in a red cup. You gotta put coffee in a cup. Oh, now it's ready. So I can take your coffee out. I gotta make you coffee. So I fixed it. Then you put the coffee in. This is what you do. Then you push it. Now let cookie go. Okay, I gotta make you more coffee. Then you put the coffee in.
Hey, Ben.
Then you push the button.
Ben, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I gotta make more coffee.